The news conference on January 16th will be a ribbon-cutting event for the Madison College TruAct solar system, and we will have Lieutenant Governor Mandela Barnes here to speak and to help celebrate the commissioning of that system on January 16th. It'll be the largest rooftop solar installation in the state of Wisconsin. It includes 5,700 solar panels. It'll provide 1.85 megawatts of electricity on a bright sunny day. That's about enough to power 18,000 flat-screen televisions, or roughly 300 homes. The system will save the college between $200,000 and $250,000 a year on the electric bill. So that obviously holds down costs for the college. But beyond that, this is also clean electricity, so it helps to prevent air pollution in our local region. The system will also be available to the public for tours and open house events, and all of the data will be made publicly available on the internet so that members of the community can monitor the system and see how much energy it's producing. So we've got a few other projects that are in the works. As everybody's aware, we're building the new Madison South campus, and that campus will also have solar panels on the roof. The college has completed a solar roadmap that prioritized solar developments across all of our campuses and all of our building facilities and ranked them in terms of their benefit and economic potential. We also recently received a grant from the National Science Foundation to redevelop the solar facilities at the Commercial Avenue campus to start integrating energy storage and electrical vehicle charging capability into those systems as well. This system will be available to students in all programs to interact with. So if there are instructors, for example, in our architecture or construction or electrical engineering programs that would like to work with the system, get their students on the roof, learning about solar technology, we hope that those students will also be able to use this equipment, and the data will all be available to instructors in any program.